buenos noches, buenos dias. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, what I do, familia? What I do, what's poppin'? Nice to see you guys again. Today we're doing something a little bit different. It's a little bit new for me. I'm actually doing a sit-down try-on haul because, you know, let me tell you something. These videos are hard work. You know, the energy it takes to try on clothes and talk, it's an extreme sport, you know, especially when the video is not sponsored. And in fact, I don't think Zara actually sponsors anyone, not at least to my knowledge, but hey, that's besides the point. We're gonna get right into this haul. I got a few cute pieces from Zara over the weekend and a couple of bits and bobs last week, and I just thought, you know what, why don't I just do a haul, because these are some really cute pieces that you never know you might need in your wardrobe, you know what I'm saying? So the first item that I got is this dress. I'm gonna insert a clip because I'm really not even doing the dress justice right now. But as you can see, it's a very long dress and it's got this kind of ribbed collar neck kind of style at the top. I think it's so cute. I actually got it in a medium thinking I might need a small. You know, a lot of us have gained weight during the pandorama and it's been a little bit disrespectful, the weight gain. Like, I still think I'm a small and I am far from it, you know? Who else feels like they're still a small and they're not? The next item I got was this beautiful black dress. This is pretty much what it looks like. My mom calls it a night dress. She's like, why would you go and buy a night dress? But girl, this is fashion. Like, look at this back. I'm gonna insert another clip just so you can see exactly how it looks. And when I say it's stunning, literally, I was talking to my bae and he said that this dress requires security, and he wasn't lying. Like, it is so short, so you have to just be moving on point. You've got to be the most elegant and classy lady when you step. It's not a dress to do higgy haga in, but yeah, it's a stunning dress, and it wasn't even expensive. I got it in a medium, and the medium fit well. Large was more accommodating in terms of length, but then it just made me look very unflattering because it just wasn't the perfect fit for my bodies. The next dress that I got was this stunning green ribbed dress with this frilly detailing at the sleeves. So it looks like this. I like long dresses, you know, when you're a shapely woman, or if you just like to be a little bit elegant, you prefer to go for longer dresses because they're more flattering, and with bodycon they tend to rise. So you don't really want to be, you know, fighting with your dress every second. You can walk, take 5 steps, 10 steps if you must, and you don't have to start pulling it down. Whereas in a short dress, you take 2-3 steps, you're constantly fighting it. And my mum always says, why must I fight with clothes that I paid for? So yeah, and this is just a cute casual dress that you can dress up or dress down. There's all sorts of events you could wear it to. Brunch, like I listed with the cream dress, dates, dinners. Well, I don't know about dinners. You can wear it anywhere. Out with the girls, out with your man, out with the family. Like, it's really versatile. The next item I got was this 2-piece. So the first item is this ribbed kind of racer neck top. When I tell you this is the softest top I have ever touched and worn in my entire life, I'm not kidding. And the stretch, I mean, this is medium to large. And it fits like a glove. Does it up close? It's like this kind of ribbed material with this band detailing at the bottom. But definitely do check them, because when I went, I did find a top that was a bit washed and faded, like someone had worn it and returned it and maybe washed it. Be diligent, you know, on this channel we are diligent. And the back is pretty much the same. I did buy these clips from Primark so that your straps are not exposed on the side. So that might be a good idea whilst you're wearing these if you've got, you know, boobs, or if you just want to have some support whilst you're wearing this. This is actually a medium to large, but as you can see, they don't really look medium to large, but they have so much stretch and they are not see-through. One thing I cannot stand about leggings is the fact that they're see-through, most leggings, but these ones are just top quality. The next thing I got, and I love these. I've had these for a little while now, but they're these men's cargo pants. Now, I don't really know if you can see them that well. They've got some pockets at the back, and then as standard with cargo pants, you've got pockets kind of just on your lower thigh on the sides, and that's on both sides, and then this cuff detailing at the bottom. And these are actually men's. I got these in a medium and they are so snug. I thought that they were gonna have, you know, a bit of bagginess to them, but they look so good. They're also big booty friendly, so if you got a little bit of extra meat in that department, check it out. I forgot to mention as well that they have a drawstring, so for us girls with the itty bitty waist, you can tighten it with a drawstring. Next in the haul, you've got these floaty wide leg pants, and they've got, you know, material at the front so that you can tie them just for styles. It doesn't actually make them tight because around the back they're elasticated, so it's literally just for styles, but it looks cute. And then I paired them with this cute sweetheart top, and it's actually a bodysuit. You know, I tried this one in the haul and I was struggling to get it on. It's even a size small, and I didn't realize that it had the clips at the bottom, so I was struggling for no reason, almost damn near bust the top trying to get it on from the bottom up, but we move. We thank God for, you know, realizations. And last but not least, I have this top. Now when I picked this top up, I was just a bit like, I mean, it's the top, isn't it? But when I put it on, I said I might need to get more of these because they had them in a few different colors, and this top was only $5.99. I know I said I wasn't gonna list prices, but because some of these still have the tags on them, I might as well. But this top is so soft. Again, Zara just coming through with the quality and the softness. Like, I'm getting older, I'm maturing, I want to look good, but I want to be comfortable at the same time. Do you know what I mean? So Zara's just serving both in that department, like double A. I don't even know what kind of style top you call this. It's almost like, you know, that racer kind of style, but then it's not. And then the arms are kind of almost cropped. But then, I don't know, you can gauge what I mean from the picture, but this was such a cute top. Like, I'm literally going to go back and get more of these. I'm gonna get the black. I think there was nude and blue. I'm gonna get all the colors. Like, I'm literally gonna get all of them. So yeah, and that is pretty much all the pieces in today's haul. It was a mini haul. I didn't get too much, but hopefully you enjoyed the video nonetheless. If you liked any pieces, be sure to let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite one, you know, how you might wear and style them, and if you've seen anything else that's cute that you might want to see on me or you might think I like, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe. I shall see you in my next video. Adios.